not a drill. Hi.
Surrender to the sound. Boy, forget the crowd. Harmonies allowed. I want it, you want it. You were holding on, waiting for something that wasn't meant for you. Now that is gone, what you find is a brand new rhythm in your blood.
All right, it is the morning of the photo shoot. I just got to the office. I'm always bringing in packages. They talk about me for that. But we need a lot of stuff. So hair is done. I'm actually not getting photographed. I'm gonna do a little interview, but hair and makeup, I'm gonna show you guys what I am wearing for the shoot. And you guys are not gonna be surprised at all because it just makes sense. Of course, it is the skirt that Jackie thrifted for me from Canada. The brand is Trip NYC. So yeah, I have it on with the corset that I made for the channel. There's a video about it and a harness. And I think this skirt is perfect because the pockets are so freaking deep and it has a ton of them. And it just, you know, I can run and go in this, and I have on sneakers. So I think I'll be good for today. But I'm like, my energy, I'm so excited. You guys are gonna see behind the scenes footage. This is not a drill. The collection is coming out next Friday, July 21st. So definitely go to blueprintsignature.com and sign up for email notifications if you want to be notified of that release as well as other releases. And also follow us on Instagram, Blueprint Signature on Instagram. So yeah.
I was holding on, waiting for something better, faster, stronger. What I found was the sound of a punch-drunk heart beating for you. Surrender to the sound. Boy, forget the crowd. Harmonies allowed. I want it, you want it.
All right, well, that is a wrap on Eternal Photo Shoot. Great job, everybody.
Great job, everybody.
Yes, y'all did amazing. So mark your calendars for July 21st at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time because that's when this collection drops. And definitely go to our website and sign up for email notifications so that you know when it drops as well as future drops, what we're working on. You can follow us on Instagram, Blueprint Signature on Instagram. And I love sharing, you know, things here. You definitely get all the things there. So if you are interested in just how things are going as well as purchasing, definitely do that. Thank you guys so much for all of your support, for my OGs, all the support all through the years, whether things were going bad or whether things were going good. You've been here and I am grateful for you. I definitely have other videos for you to watch right here. I got to get back to work and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.